Excuse me. Hi, I'm Sylvia from Vintage Kitchen Vixen, where I share tips for simple living, creating memorable gatherings, and sharing wholesome and traditional recipes with a vintage twist. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a healthier version of eggnog. And by healthier, what I mean is that there is no white sugar in there. I use coconut palm sugar, which adds a richness to it, I find. Now, it's not going to taste like the eggnogs that you get out of the carton of the store, which are just full of sugar. Oh my goodness. It does have a little kick that you get by adding rum and brandy to the mixture. There are two different ways that I typically make eggnog. The first way, and this is not the way I'm going to be showing you how to make it today, but if you want to learn the recipe, you can head on over to the kitchen. So the link is in the description below if you want to take a look. But try it out at your own risk. The reason I'm not sharing that recipe on here today is because there is some contention about consuming raw egg, which can sometimes be contaminated with salmonella, which is why I feel it is very important, if you do want to follow that recipe, is to use eggs that are organically grown, chickens that are free range, that are not in close quarters, and that are eating a healthy diet. So I feel like the quality of eggs that you have access to plays a major factor in whether or not you make that recipe. The second recipe, the egg is tempered with hot milk and cream. The thing with eggs, if you don't temper it and you just add the hot milk to the egg, it will shock the egg and it will curdle. So to avoid that curdling, you want to temper the egg by adding the hot milk bit by bit and whisking it in. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that today. The quantity that I do the eggnog in, I just do it one batch at a time. So double, triple, quadruple the recipe depending on how many people you want. You can also, serve it in smaller portion sizes. So this portion, it was a full glass, but it's for 1.25 cups. So that kind of gives you an idea of the portion size. So that could easily be 2 portions there, depending on how much eggnog you want to serve. I think that is enough talking for me right now. If you want to learn more details, do check out the link below and visit me on vintagekitchenvixen.com. Otherwise, we're going to hop into silent film mode. And if you are new here and you have no idea what I mean by that, you're going to find out right now. Vintage Kitchen Vixen. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment if you feel so inclined, and share it with somebody who might like this video. And if you are new and you liked what you saw, I hope you will become a subscriber and hit that bell notification so that you never miss an episode of Vintage Kitchen Vixen. I put out 2 new videos a week, so I will be seeing you real soon. Bye!
Votre Majesté, Immaculée.
That's why I should always wear an apron.